Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the new Samsung Galaxy A52 versus the Vivo V20. And guys, and the Vivo V20 as well as the A52 has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8GB of RAM, and the only difference between these two devices is in the software. We have a Samsung One UI 3.1 as compared to FunTouch OS version 11 on the Vivo V20, and also on the back we get a glass on the Vivo V20 as compared to plastic on my Samsung Galaxy A52, but I like the design language of the A52 than the Vivo V20. So in this video I'm gonna show you how much difference between these two devices when it comes of apps opening speed as well as in the boot up test. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. Both phones is completely off. Now let's start off with the boot up test. Here we go. And logo it is here more faster on the Vivo V20 followed by the Samsung Galaxy A52. And let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one. And you can see Vivo V20, it is way faster when it comes to putting up, be it the Samsung Galaxy A52 and A52. It is also done about 2 or 4 second difference between these two devices. And guys, you can see that and both phones give you a very different display, but we have a Full HD Super AMOLED display on both phones, but we have a 60Hz refresh rate display on the Vivo V20 as compared to 90Hz on my Samsung Galaxy A52. So that's a really unique thing on the A52. And also we have water drop notch on the Vivo V20 as compared to punch hole, which is on the center on the A52. So guys, everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. So now let's start off with the phone dialer. Let me warm up. Here we go. And that is exactly the same on both phones, no difference there. Now let's see settings. And that is definitely more faster on the A52 followed by the Vivo V20. YouTube. And that is definitely more faster on the Vivo V20 followed by the A52. Now let's see the scrolling. And in this area, A52 is perform much smoother than the Vivo V20 because of the 90Hz refresh rate display. So guys, now let's check out some games application, and now let's see that how much difference between these two devices in terms of game upload time despite having same processor on both phones. Now let's see Candy Crush Saga. And faster on the Vivo V20, just a tiny bit faster there, followed by the A52. About half a second difference there. I would say exactly the same on both phones because not a huge difference. Subway Surfer. Faster on the Samsung Galaxy A52 this time, followed by the Vivo V20, and that's about 1 or 2 second difference. That's a really surprising result. Now let's see Temper Run 2. And that it looks exactly the same. Faster on the Vivo V20, just a tiny bit more faster. Let's see Spotify. And exactly the same. Let's see Pinout. Again, definitely more faster on the Vivo V20, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A52. Zedge. And definitely more faster on the A52 followed by the Vivo V20. Now let's see the scrolling, and that is face more smoother on the Samsung Galaxy A52. Instagram faster on the A52. Let's see Snapchat, and that is more faster on the Vivo V20, just a tiny bit faster there. Amazon Shopping, that is more faster on the A52 followed by the Vivo V20. So guys, now let's see the scrolling, again more smoother on my Samsung Galaxy A52 because of the 90Hz refresh rate display. So last I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app. Now let's see that which one is going to be the fastest one, and both phones also has in-display fingerprint scanner. That is more faster on the A52 followed by the Vivo V20. Now let's see the internet browser speed. I am using the default Samsung internet browser on my A52 as compared to Google Chrome on the Vivo V20. Now let's see the WWE.com, and faster on the Vivo V20 followed by the Samsung Galaxy A52, just a tiny bit faster there. So now let's see the scrolling, and that is feels more smoother on my A52 because of the gain 90 Hz as compared to 60 Hz. So guys, now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and both phones has a 8 GB of RAM. Now let's see that who is performed better in terms of the RAM measurement wise. Phone dialer, no refresh. Let's see settings, no refresh. YouTube, let's see Candy Crush Saga. Subway Surfer, that got refresh on the Vivo V20. Let's see Temper 2, and that is not refresh. So far one application refresh on the Vivo V20. Spotify, no refresh. Let's see Pinout, Zedge, Instagram. Let's see Snapchat, Amazon Shopping. Last way back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the app's opening speed, that is more faster on the Vivo V20, just a tiny bit more faster, about half a second difference there in game map loading time. And in terms of the RAM measurement wise, Samsung Galaxy A52 is performed really good in the RAM measurement than the Vivo V20. We have one application refresh on the Vivo V20. So that's about it, and thanks so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A52 versus the Vivo V20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and let me know what kind of more videos that you guys want to see regarding the A52. Let me know in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, by the way, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.